Presenting the Marine's brand new transport helicopter powered by twin engines. Wing fuel tanks leave the main section of the fuselage clear for loading. Note the clamshell-type cargo doors shown in these Department of Defense films. 2 pilots and a crew chief operate this whirly-bird, one of the largest and fastest built today. It carries this Jeep and howitzer with room to spare for fighting men, too. 26 fully equipped Marines can get aboard. Mission accomplished, the copter is ready to use its top speed, over 150 miles per hour, to get other situations well in hand.